French teacher in Greenfields, Sartaging and Clay. Today I'm taking my students to a virtual tour of Lyon City, France, and I can see the participation in my students already. They're very excited. I feel that this virtual tour of France with its question and answer session will help my students fall in love with France again and again. And I really thank Le Fait Hindi for this great initiative. Thank you so much.
Bonjour students. I will try to let you discover this beautiful city called Lyon. But few things, before we go further, there are few things that you should know about Lyon. Now, the city of Lyon is actually known for the birthplace of cinema. The other thing that this city is known for is its two rivers. So there are two rivers called Rhone and Saône, which actually converge here, and it is like our Allahabad or Prayagraj, as we say, where two rivers meet. The first thing that I want to show you is this. You see Carrefour City? So Carrefour is a very big brand, in France, and this brand is so big that it is all across Europe, and it's very big. So I'm going to take you to this shop, right now. But before that, I want to show you the hours, how the opening hours and the closing hours are written in French. See, in France, even if you are a primary student, you do not speak in AM, PM. So this is the building of Mairie, just across the shop. This is the building of Mairie, and Lyon is a second largest city of France, and it has 8 mairies, and this is one of them. And Mairie is a very important in the French life. All your cultural activities, your registrations, marriage and death registrations, and your school allocation and health problems, all are addressed by the mairie. But now I am going to take you inside the shop. Okay, it is opening. Bonjour. Bonjour. So the first thing I want to show you, so when you are entering a shop, you have to say bonjour. It is cultural. It is very important for you to, when you are coming to France, to greet someone with bonjour. Otherwise, they feel offended, or it is not culturally correct to not to greet anyone with bonjour. So now, this is the first, as I enter, this is the first rayon. So in French, this section, all these sections, there are different sections, and all these sections are different rayons. And this is the rayon de prêt à emporter. You can see this written here. C'est prêt à emporter. That means here you will get food which you can just pick it up and take it with you. You see these sandwiches, and these are vegetable sandwiches, rolls. And you see this section, this rayon is of fruits et légumes, the fruits and vegetables. And where these fruits and vegetables come from? They come. I take you to another section. Many of you would be vegetarian, and many people believe that France is not a vegetarian country, but it's not like that. In the last 10 years, many people have moved to vegan. You know what is a vegan?
The person who
Vegetarian.
Yeah. So there are people who do not eat even the animals they don't eat. They don't eat even animal products. So this section is for them. So you have you have different kinds of corn. Yeah, corn. You have lentil, dal that we have. So you have, this is a special, very famous. Like we have rajma rice. So you have a riz is soja, which we call it, so it's kind of a rajma rice. So it is available here, and all these products are bio, which means they are all gluten free. They are gluten free and they are bio. So they are available here, and people eat a lot. And when you come as exchange student here, you don't have any problem of choosing between vegetarian or non-vegetarian food. Another food which you find in India also, but then here you find it for hamsters and also for rabbits. You know, this one. You see? So the French people actually, they love their pets, and this whole section is for the pet food. And in the pet, they even have hamsters and they have rabbits. Some of them, apart from dogs and cats, like chien and chat, they also have lizards as pets. Some of them have lizards. It's weird. Yeah. So it's like, this is a section which you will like, which is a pizza section. So you have different kinds of pizza. Now, many of these pizza, they come from Italy, which is just 2 hours away from here by train. So it is part of a European Union. So you can just walk into Italy, and there are many pizzas. Basically, we are off with our tour of the shop, and now I am coming outside, and I will probably take you to another shop, which I will ask you to identify. I am just walking towards that shop, and before that, I will show you a shop which is very, like, France is known for those kind of products and shops, and here it is.
Wine shop.
Alcohol
Yeah.
wine shop.
Wow, as we call it. So you have many, you have many shops, like wine shops here, and wine is in the culture of France, and wine is made of which fruit?
Grapes.
And what is grape called in French? Raisin. Raisin, yes. Bonjour. Okay, the shopkeeper is saying bonjour to you.
Bonjour.
Okay, this shop, can you identify what is this shop?
Meat shop.
Meat shop.
French? Sit in here. Boucherie. So you see boucherie written there. So it's like a meat shop is called boucherie, and so you have these shops open early in the morning. Now I am going to take you to another shop. I will show it to you from the outside, because the theme that we have picked up is alimentation. So it is very important for you to know this. Now, you
sir,
tell me
10
what is written
minutes.
on the top.
10 minutes are left.
Okay, so I will take question answers after this, but I want to show this shop. Boulangerie, and what is there? The other one?
Shop. TCS.
Boulangerie. A boulangerie is where you get your,
Pastries and bread.
Yes.
Pastry
So
and
this
creams.
is a boulangerie, and it is also a pastry shop. So patisserie is pastry. So do you have questions? One by one, ask me, and I'll try to answer you.
Excuse me, Simarpreet Singh.
Yes, Simarpreet, tell me.
Sir, in France, the people also understand English in France.
Okay, so this is a very good question. In the big cities like Lyon, Paris, Toulouse, Nantes, Lille, yes, you will get many people who will speak and understand English. But normally in France, they are very protective about their language and about their culture. So basically, when you are trying to ask them something in French, they will love it. But yes, in big cities, they do speak, French. But in smaller towns and in villages, you will not find them speaking in English.
How do you pay for the things you buy?
How do you pay for the things you buy? Okay, that's also a very good question. So there are two ways to pay. I'll show you one by one. So listen, if you have cash, then you pay by cash, which is called espèce in French. So an espèce will be something like this. Can you see the euro here?
Yes, sir.
This is a 10 euro.
Yes, sir.
This 10 euro will be just about 850 rupees or 900 rupees. So this is the equivalence value in India. Most of the people here, they use the card, and they have something called carte bleue. For example, I will show you the carte bleue. So this is a carte bleue. You see CB written there? Can you see CB? CB means carte bleue. Au revoir. Ciao.